Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can set up payroll in QuickBooks online. So let's get started. To begin, go to the Payroll tab and select Overview, then click Run Payroll. Make sure the pay period and pay date are correct. If not, you can update them here. You'll see a list of employees on your current pay schedule. If you don't want to pay someone this period, simply uncheck the box next to their name. For salaried employees, QuickBooks automatically calculates their pay based on the salary information you entered. For hourly employees, it calculates pay based on the hours worked. If your team uses QuickBooks Time, their hours will automatically appear here for your review. Select Approve Time to confirm hours. You can approve time for each employee individually or select multiple employees to approve all at once. If any hours are missing, choose Add Time to enter them manually. If you need to make changes to pay amounts or employee details, click on the employee's name to edit their information. You can also add a memo or switch an employee's payment method from paper check to direct deposit. To do this, you'll need to enter their bank routing and account numbers. Once everything looks accurate, select Preview Payroll. You'll see a breakdown of each employee's total pay, taxes withheld, and net pay. Make sure the correct bank account is selected. Keep in mind that changing it here doesn't alter your actual payroll bank account. You can update that later in your payroll settings if needed. When you're ready, click Submit Payroll. After submission, you can print pay stubs directly, or employees with QuickBooks Workforce Access can view their pay stubs online. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.